quick tour of the room. This is a 2-queen bed with a private area that has another sofa bed, technically called the family suite. It does have a balcony and a little table. There is a mini fridge in the room and a microwave. So for people bringing mac and cheese, there you go. And there is coffee and a little coffee pot as well. This room has a sink outside of the bathroom, and the bathroom is a bath, which is great for the kids when washing up after the water park. Whoa! Oh my goodness.
You got egg all over me.
This is so much fun. I'm just running. I can't believe I can do it, Mom.
Marlena, do you want to sleep on the couch bed like you did at Animal Kingdom?
Uh-huh.
It's a smaller balcony than River City.
I can see you. I can see.
Traverse City definitely has a better view. This is a pretty busy town right by Cedar Point. I'll have to pan over to Traverse City's view. And I don't think it's just the room location. Pretty sure it's like this all around. Because on the other side actually of this is Meyer. So yeah, it is. This is the view. But that's okay. I want to try out a different location. Who you got?
Don't you know?
Let's see your wolf pack.
I've always wanted you. I'm gaming like a raggy ball. Oh, I never lost you before.
What did you think? This is Fort McKenzie. It's a huge 4-story treehouse, lots of interactive toys and slides for the kids. There's also bigger slides, but I do feel like Great Wolf Lodge is more geared towards the younger kids. We have stayed at Kalahari, and that video is going to be up soon, so stay tuned for that because that one's more for the bigger kids, I think. Probably under 11 years old, I think would be perfect for Great Wolf Lodge, and older than that, Kalahari. My kids had a blast.
Over there?
No, you.
Like right here. Okay, I'll stand here. You got me.
Yeah.
Whoa. Hi, Marley.
I'm not shy, Mom.
Can you do it? Oh, Lazy River. Oh, that looks so cool.
So some extra things they have are lockers, they have life jackets for you to use, and note that the water park is open until 8 o'clock every day. All right, let's check out this Halloween party. We're about to do some trick-or-treating. Ready? Dance party.
I love your costume and I love your sweatshirt.
Oh, thank you.
Hi.
Oh, there you go.
The show's about to start.
Who was that? Must be my imagination. Oh, no. I'm not going to fall for that one again. Just listen for the great wolf's howl. He's out there on the prowl.
And that's a rain for everybody down low. So you're up here, but that's okay. Because everyone has a part to play in our story. But
Okay, they said put on your pajamas for a pajama party. We're gonna do some bowling now.
Oh my god, it's so hard. Do it. Oh, you got it. Oh yeah, you got it. I think. Hey, you did it. Let's see it.
Wrestle is live.
So in the morning we woke up and they had these cute little crafting stations, which is right up my daughter's alley. She's making a wreath here, and then they also had another station where they could make owls. So if you're in the Michigan area and you had to choose between Traverse City or the Sandusky Great Wolf Lodge, I personally would pick the Traverse City one. I just think the surrounding areas is much more beautiful. However, if you're going to be doing other things in the Sandusky area, like going to Cedar Point, then this could be a great place to stay or extend your vacation. Traverse City also has wonderful things around there like the sand dunes and beautiful beaches, so you can't really go wrong with those two options. They're both in prime areas. I just think the Great Wolf Lodge in Traverse City has a better view in surrounding area. But pretty much in general, they have the same amenities inside. I did do a whole tour on the Traverse City one, so I will link that one, and if you want to check that out, please do. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time.